Hello guys, welcome back. And today, as you can see here, um we have a bracelet. Oh, the jump. Okay, so made this bracelet, and this one is a bit smaller. Okay, but it still fit. Okay, and I use different. This one is a little bit bigger and this one is a little bit smaller. Okay, so and it's very easy. So all you need is your yarn. Okay, so this yarn, okay, so this yarn is I don't have a name, guys, but it's not really stretchy. Okay, and this one is a different color. Okay, I can't remember what's the name of it, but it looks like an acrylic with something else. Okay, so sorry guys, but you can just use any. It it doesn't um it doesn't fry that much, if if you can see. So I think maybe it's like acrylic with a nylon or something. Okay, so yeah, this is just a leftover from way back. Okay, and I went to the shop and I couldn't find this one, so I'm not sure if where did I get it, but I just found it and I said, oh, it's really cute, and I tried and it really came out really nice. Okay, so these two, they're kind of the same yarn. Okay, so yeah, so let's get started, guys. I will be using my 4 millimeter hook. Okay, and of course your multicolor. Okay, if you want plain, that's fine. Okay, so we're going to start with our slip knot. Insert our hook, and I'm going to chain 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 for our turning chain. Okay, so from here, what I'm going to do is in the second chain from the hook, so this one, skip this one, the next one is we are going to slip stitch. Okay, so insert, okay, yarn over, pull through all. Okay, so I'm going to show that again. So insert, yarn over, pull through. Okay, and you're going to pull through this loop as well. Okay, so that is our slip stitch. Okay, so then you have a 5 chain. Okay, so here we are going to chain 1 and turn our work. Okay, so we're not going to work in this chain 1 here, but we're going to slip stitch into the second chain. Okay, so slip stitch, yarn over, pull through all the loops. Okay, so yarn over, insert, yarn over. Okay, so you have 2 there, but you are going to pull through. So that is our slip stitch. Okay, so you just have to continue doing that, and in every rows you are going to have 5 stitches. Okay, and this is our last, don't forget that. Okay, and that is our first row, and then we're going to second row. Okay, so chain 1 after you finish 5, and then you chain 1. Okay, so you have to count, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and we have our last here. It's hiding. We're going to get that. And 5, chain 1, turn, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and last one here. So we are going to chain up, slip stitch into the back loop only. Okay, so back loop only, so we can get this stretchy. Okay, so chain 1. Okay, so the V stitch. Okay, so the front and the back, so we're working in the back loop only. Okay, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and just one. Okay, just one loop, and then chain 1. Okay, turn your work as you can see here. Okay, so this is our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this is our turning chain. Okay, so that's chain 1 there. Okay, so we're going to slip stitch in the second chain from the hook. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, chain 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. In the 5th one, it's a little bit tricky, but you will get used to it. 1, oops, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Chain 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so we are just going to continue doing this. Okay, so I'm going to show you that it stretches. Okay, so yes, so it stretches a lot. Okay, so we are going to continue this, guys, until we have our measurement that we need. Okay, and then we are just going to connect and close it. Okay, so I will continue this, guys, off the camera, and I'll come back and I'm going to show you how I connected and close up my bracelet. Okay, because I'm not going to use any buttons or anything like that. I'm just going to close it off. Okay, so later on we will be closing like this, but work on that and I'll come back and show you what to do, guys, after I've got my measurement that I needed. Guys, so I have done my rows, and now Okay, so this one is a small size, and I will give you the measurement of this, so it will be in inches. Okay, so 5.5. Okay, so 5.5. Okay, so you can add if you want, and it's 1 inch. Okay, so you can make half of this, or you can make bigger. It's up to you guys. Okay, so from here I'm just going to cut, okay, and finish this, and then we are going to need our needle, okay, so we can sew the ends. Okay, so just insert there, okay, and from here we are going to insert here. Okay, so into the last stitch, or the first stitch of this part here, and along to the other side I'm going to get that and sew it up. Okay, and then from here I'm just going to okay, and just inserting both. Okay, okay, you can grab 2 strands, or you can grab 1 strand. It's up to you guys. Okay, okay, and then to the last, just going to get that, and into the last here going to get that as well, and you just have to like come back. Okay, so have a look in the other side, and if it looks good, and then just finish it off. Okay, for just wave the end. Okay, and wave the ends, and then you can like come back, okay, to secure it. Okay, and the same with this one here. We're just going to wave, okay, the end, okay, just to secure that end there. Okay, and then you can cut it off. Okay, so that is the back side. It looks like you can't even tell. Okay, so then you just have to cut this off. Okay, and there you go. Okay, so it's very simple, and it's very cute as well, and it's very stretchy. Thanks for thanks very much guys for watching, and if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you get notified every time I'll post a new video. Okay, so thanks guys, and thanks for your support, and hopefully you like this video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.